PulppoKids, PulppoKids, subscribe. Hello, kiddos. One cow. What does a cow do? Cow. Cows are charming and friendly animals that we can find on farms and in villages. They enjoy eating grass and provide us with delicious milk, which is used to make butter, cheese, and yogurt. Cows are intelligent and have their favorite companions. Cow. 2 horses. What does a horse do? Horse. Horses are amazing creatures that captivate both the young and the old. Their beautiful coats and manes leave a lasting impression on us. Horses love to run around in the pasture and jump with joy. When we pet them, we can feel their warmth and gentleness. Sometimes, horses become our companions during horseback riding, which brings a lot of joy. It's important to provide them with care, love, and special treatment. After all, they are our wonderful friends on 4 hooves. Horse. Three chickens. What does a chicken do? Hens are funny and full of energy. These charming birds with beautiful feather colors proudly strut around the yard. They enjoy searching for worms and listening to their bird friends. Every day, they lay eggs that we can find in the nest to use them for delicious dishes. Thanks to them, we have tasty omelets for breakfast. Chickens are our colorful friends on the farm, deserving of our care and gratitude. They create a charming atmosphere on the farm. Four. Four pigs. What does a pig do? are wonderful creatures. They have adorable, curly tails and are very intelligent. Pigs love to search for treasures in the mud, and that's their favorite game. They know how to listen to sounds, so they can hear even the quietest whispers. Pigs enjoy running around the pen and sunbathing. It's worth taking care of them and enjoying their presence, because pigs are great friends of the animal world. Five. 5 cats. What does a cat do? Cat. On the farm, among cows and other animals, you can also find mysterious cats. They have beautiful, colorful fur and agile bodies that allow them to move swiftly. Cats are true hunters. They hunt for mice and other small creatures that might threaten the harvest. But that's not all that makes them special. Cats are also great companions. They can be affectionate and friendly when we show them love. Their presence on the farm adds charm and mystery. Six. 6 ducks. What does a duck do? Duck. On the farm, you can find cheerful ducks that love to be in the water. Their beautiful feathers shine in the sun, and their characteristic quack quack can be heard from afar. Ducks dip their heads underwater, searching for delicious treats. When the time comes, they lay eggs that are used in the kitchen in many ways. Ducks add color and joy to the farm, capturing attention with their amusing behavior. 7 sheep. What do sheep do? Sheep. On the farm, you can find cute little sheep that have fluffy coats. Their wool can come in different colors and sometimes it looks like a rainbow. Sheep are very social and enjoy running around the pasture together. Their wool can be turned into beautiful clothes and soft blankets. Sheep are also very clever. They can listen to sounds and recognize their shepherd friends. It's worth taking care of these special creatures because they provide us with warm wool and a smile on our faces. Sheep. Eight. Chicks. What do chicks do? Chick. Chicks are tiny, fluffy creatures that have just hatched from eggs. They have delicate feathers and they're super adorable. Chicks need care and warmth, so they usually stay close to their moms. They grow quickly and learn to fly. Chicks are very curious about the world and always want to discover new things. We can find them on farms and in homesteads, where they grow healthy and happy. It's a wonderful experience to watch chicks grow and become strong birds. Chick. Nine. Nine goats. What do goats do? Goats are playful creatures that love to run through fields and jump on rocks. They have beautiful, curly horns that give them a unique appearance. Goats enjoy eating grass, leaves, and sometimes even twigs. It's thanks to them that we can enjoy delicious milk, which is used to make tasty cheese. Goats are social animals and like to be in a group, where they spend time together. They're joyful beings that add charm to any environment, and their jumping can bring smiles to every child's face. Goat. Roosters. What do roosters do? Rooster. Roosters are colorful birds that wake us up every morning with their cheerful crowing. They proudly display their vibrant feathers and can put on an extraordinary dance show. Their distinctive cock-a-doodle-doo is a signal that a new day has begun. Roosters are not only beautiful but also full of energy, spending their time guarding and watching over other animals. Roosters are true farm heroes that add charm and joy to every day. Rooster. PulppoKids, subscribe.